Hello, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial today we are going to discuss the topic computation of codon usage bias. My name is Dr. Anjusha Mune. I am Assistant Professor, School of Sciences, Sage University, Bhopal. So to perform the analysis, firstly the requirement are that you should have Mega software downloaded in your system. How to download the software and how to install it, we have discussed all these steps in the previous videos. So for that you can see the previous video that how to download the software. So we will move ahead. After downloading and installing the software, you will open the software, and before performing the codon usage analysis, we need a MSA file, that is multiple sequence alignment file, which we are going to create first using the Mega software. For that you will select the first option, and there you will click on the edit and build alignment option because you are creating a new alignment file. If you already have a multiple sequence alignment file saved in your system from your previous study, you can use that file as well. So click on that option. It will ask you for one option, like whether you are going to use a saved alignment or retrieve a sequence from a file, or you are going to create one. So here we are going to create a new alignment. We will select the create new alignment tab and click on the OK button. After then we will select the type of sequence which we are using. So in this study we are using DNA sequences. You can also use a protein sequence. In that case you have to select the protein option, but here we are using a DNA sequence, so we will move ahead with the DNA option. After then it will ask you to submit the sequences to the tool. For that you can either directly retrieve the sequences from the database, or you can use the sequences that you have already retrieved from a database and later on saved those sequences in the FASTA format in a text file. So here I already have sequences saved in the FASTA format in a text file. I will copy all those sequences and paste the sequences in the tool by using the edit option and clicking on the paste option. Once you click on the paste option, the sequences will get pasted in the tool. To perform multiple sequence alignment of all these sequences, we have to select first all the sequences. So in the edit option only, you will click the select all option. After that you will move to the alignment tab, and there you will select the type of sequence alignment or method that you are using. So here we are aligning the sequences using cluster W method. Once you click on the cluster W method, it will ask you about the parameters, and a window will open that will show you different parameters, and for majority of the times we keep all the parameters as default parameters only. We will select all the parameters as it is and click on the OK button. Once you click on it, the alignment will start. The tool will align the sequences in two ways. Firstly, it will perform a pairwise alignment, and later on it will perform a multiple sequence alignment. And then you can save your file